Yes, now students, here in the first question the blanks were given. In this blank what is given? So fill in the blanks tens and ones digit. What are the following given number? What are the given number? In the first number 13 is given. In 13 this is ones, this is tens. This is ones, this is tens. Dash tens and dash ones. Dash tens means 1 tens, 3 ones. 1 tens, 3 ones. In the same way 12. In 12 1 10 and 2 ones. 2 ones. So number of tens and number of ones we have to write first. We have to write how many ones are there, how many tens are there. So here 1 tens, that is 1 tens, 3 ones, 3 ones. In the same way 1 tens, 2 ones and 2 ones. Here the next question, in the next question we have to write the number and place value. Number as well as place value we have to write. So underline digit, here number is given. This is the number, this is the place value. Again here number, here place value. Here number, place value. Some numbers are given and we have to write the place values. So in the question first, the number is given 54. In the second question, the number is given 35. In the third question, the number is given 47. And in the question fourth, it is given 89. In the question 83. In the last question it is 33. These are the numbers given. So in these numbers underlined, 5 is underlined here and here also 5 is underlined. Here 7 is underlined. Here 8 is underlined. Here 8 is underlined. Here 3 is underlined. So here we have to write the place values of underlined number. First, here the first number is 54. In this first number, this is ones place, this is tens place. 5 is in tens place, 5 is in tens place, so place value is 50. Place value is 50. The second number, 5 is in ones place. If ones place, the number is same, 5. Here 7 is in ones place, the place value is 7 only, because 7 is in ones place. Here 8 is in tens place, so here 80. Place value is 80. Here this is ones place, this is tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Here tens place, the underlined number is in tens place, so it is 80. Here underlined number is in ones place, so place value is 3. In this way we have to decide and we have to write what is the place value. In previous we explained how to write the place values. So this is about the place value. Now how to compare? Comparing numbers also just now we discussed. Then how to compare if the numbers, so were two digit numbers were given, then how to compare. First this is ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. We compare tens place values first. 9 and 8. 9 is bigger than 8, means greater than. 9 is greater than, we have to use greater than symbol. This is greater than. 93 is greater than 83. In this way we have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. Here also this is ones place, this is tens place, ones place, tens place. We compare first tens place values. Here tens place value is 3 and here 4. Means 3 is lesser than 4. 3 is lesser than 4. Means this value is less. 39 is less than 49. 39 is less than 49. In the next, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is ones place, this is tens place. In tens place 4 and 4 is there. means both are equal. In ones place 8 and 8 are there, they are also equal, means ones place value and tens place value both are equal. So it means complete number is equal. Complete number is equal. We have to use equal symbol. In this question, this is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. This tens place first, tens place 4. 4 is lesser than 5. 4 is lesser than 5. Less than. So it means this complete 2-digit number. 48. 48 is less than 56. In this way we have to decide which one is less than and which one is greater than. This is comparison. This is the place value. Here how many tens and how many ones we have to write in this form. So now all these things you have to remember. Remaining two sums were there in this question, first question. In review exercise also one bit is there. You have to do as a home assignment. As now students here, see. So comparison of the numbers. How to compare? So less than, greater than, equal to. If two-digit numbers were given, then which one is less and which one is bigger? So we understood. Now here some numbers were given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers were given. These 5 numbers we have to arrange ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means ascending is here given. Ascending means increasing. Increasing order. Increasing order means increasing order. First small. Small to big. Small to big. Small number to big number. We have to write small number to big number. In these 5 numbers, first we have to decide which one is smaller. Which one is smaller. So for that, for deciding, first we have to take ones place and tens place first. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. First we go for tens place. Tens place. Here tens place 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. In tens place 2 is there. In tens place 2 is there. In tens place 3 is there. In tens place 3 is there. In tens place 1 is there. In 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. 1 is a very small value. 1 is very small value. This is very small. First we have to take a very small value, that is 17. In tens digit we have 1, that is a very small value, and after 1 2 is a small value. 2. In this we have 2 2's in tens digit. 2's in tens digit. Here tens digit we have 2, here tens digit we have 2. So for the next we go for ones place. These two are in ones place. Here 9 is there and here 2 is there. This is a smaller. 2 is a smaller. The second smaller number is 22 and third smaller is 29. In tens place 2 2 is there, that is the 1. Now we go for 3 3. Whatever is there in tens place 3, in that we have to decide which one is smaller. For that we go for ones place. In ones place here 9 is there and here 5 is there. 5 is a very smaller number, means smaller number, so that we have to take first, and 9 is a bigger, 39. In this order we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing order means from small to big. From small to big. So whenever he is going to ask ascending order or descending order, first we have to check which one is in ascending order, which one is small, we have to check first. In descending order we have to check which one is big. First we have to check ones, tens places. Tens places in which tens place is smaller, that is a smaller number. In this tens place 1 is there, 1 is a smaller among all these 5. So we have to take 7 first. After 7 tens place 2. 2 means, so 2 numbers were there in which 2 is there in tens place. In that we have to decide which one is smaller in these two. So for that we go for ones place. In ones place, here 2 is there and here 9 is there. 2 is the smaller one, so we take first that one and after that 29. And after that we go for tens place. In tens place, 3 is there, both are same. So then we go for ones digit. Here 5 is there, here 9 is there. So in which the lesser value is there, that is less, that is 35 and 39. In this way we have to arrange in ascending order. Descending order means vice versa. So this means here increasing order, there we have to write in decreasing order. Decreasing order means first we have to take big and after that small. So same pattern. So first we have to compare in that we have to take bigger value first and lesser than that, lesser than that, lesser than that. In that order we have to arrange. So on the basis for your practice, so for your more practice you have in sums in your workbook. So go for your workbook and do your sums as your home assignment and from your workbook. Yes friends, here so we have to write this here missing ordinal numbers. What is meant by ordinal number? Here this is 1, we call first. First it is called 1. This is 2. This is called second. Here first. First like this. Second. Second. Third. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Fifth. Sixth. Sixth. Seventh. In this way, if you write first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, these all are called ordinal numbers. Suppose if I take 22, means 22nd, like 20 second. 22nd ordinal number is 22, means 22 and this is ordinal number 22nd. 22nd. Here also some ordinal numbers are missing. That ordinal numbers we have to write. Here 16th, after 16th, 17th will come. 17th th. 17th. 18th, after that 19th th. 28th. Then after 28th, 21st. First is there, no? 21st. 21st is the ordinal. Then 22nd ending. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and after 26th. Like this. These are the ordinal numbers. So missing ordinal numbers we have to write in this. Yes, even numbers and odd numbers. Then, what are even numbers and what are odd numbers? Suppose, first odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. From these five numbers, if any of the number comes in ones digit of the number, then that number is an odd number. Like if suppose 79 is there, this is ones place, this is tens place. We have to check ones place. What is there in ones place? In ones place, 9 is there in ones place. If 9 is there in ones place, then the number is, this is odd number. Odd. Only ones place value we have to check. Only ones place value we have to check. In ones place, if any number will come from these five number, then the number is odd number. Other than this, if suppose 82, this is the number. In ones place 2 is there. This is ones place. In ones place 2 is there. There is no 2 in this. So this is not odd number. From these five numbers, if any number is there in ones place, then the number is odd number, otherwise it is not odd number. So this is the definition for odd number. This is the definition for odd number. Now what about even number? Even number means, if suppose 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, from these 5 numbers, if any of the number comes in the unit place of the number, then the number is even number. Like 72, ones place. We have to check in ones place. This is our ones place. Ones place 2 is there. Even number this is, so the number is even number. This is number. So in this way we have to check the number is even or odd. Either it is even, either it is odd. We have to go for ones place. In ones place, these numbers were there. Any of the number will come from these, then the number is odd number. So any of the number will come from these, then that is the even number. So this is the definitions for our even and odd number concept. Then in this question, color the circle of the number that are even. Even numbers we have to circle. So from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 numbers were given. In these 10 numbers we have to check which number is even, which number is odd. Even number. First here for even number, for odd number, whatever it is, we go for unit place. Here in ones place, this is the odd number, 1 is odd number, so it is not even. This is even number. Then 5 is odd number. This is 8. 8 is even number. Then this is odd number. This is odd number. 9 is odd number. 4 is even number. And 6 is even number. 4 is even number. And 7 is odd number. And 2 is even number. We have to check only ones place value. In ones place, if even number is there, then that is even. If even number is there, then we make color. This is, we draw color. Draw colors like this. This is your 10. Color, make circles like this. You make color for even numbers only. 18 is even number, so color this circle. So in the same way, color the remaining portions also you have to color. So in this way, for all even numbers, you make colors. You make colors for even number. This is 34 even number, color it. So here also 22nd. This is the even number, 22nd. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 numbers are even numbers. So for even numbers only, the circle we have to make color. So in the second question, odd numbers. In the second question, odd number. Here are odd numbers. For this odd number, we make circle. Here odd number. Then 1 is odd number. This is odd. Then 9 is odd number. This is odd. 3 is odd number. This is odd. 0 is even number. No. This is 5 is odd number. Then 8 is even number. Then 4 is even number. Then 6 is even number. 7 is odd number. 2 is even number. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this. Total 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are odd numbers. Then you color these circles. Then you color these circles. So the ones place value of odd number is then that is the odd number. If even number is there, then the number is even number. This is the concept for your even number and odd number.